how to download Olymp Trade in iOS. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to download Olymp Trade in iOS. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is just open up your Safari or your web browser that you use in your iOS device and then just search up for Olymp Trade. And then after that, what you want to do is just click on the first link that will pop up and then it will redirect you here. So what you can do is just start off by creating an account just by clicking on registration right here. Or what you can do is just download directly the app. So what you want to do is just click on the three lines right here in the top right corner. And then from here, what you want to do is just go to trading apps right here and then just click on PWA. So just click on that. And then from here, it will now allow you to download the Olymp Trade app for iOS. So just click on PWA for iOS, and then after that it will redirect you here. So it will tell you some steps on how to download the app in iOS. So as you can see over here, step 1 is to open Olymp Trade in Safari browser. Then after that, click on share, and then after that just click on add to home screen, and then there you go, you are done. So let's just do this. So just click on the link right here in the first step. And then after that, I'll just click on share. And then I'll just click on add to home screen. Click on add. And then there you go. So when I go to my home screen right here, as you can see, Olymp Trade is now downloaded in my iOS device. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to download Olymp Trade in iOS.